Okay, so here let's take a look at how you can sync this notions table with one of the tables within Coda. We will do it through a Zapier and one of the Zap with AI, right? So if I go to my Zaps and then dashboard, it should appear in the left hand sidebar, right? We have to connect two apps, namely Notion and Coda. Each one of them will give you API key to connect to Zapier. So if you go to apps, there you have option for connecting Notion, right? There is also Coda that you can check here, right? And then once you add them, you are back to dashboard. Now here you can see sync Notion table items with Coda table items. Let's generate. And if AI shows us possible Zap, you can see sync Notion and Coda tables, right? I will try it. Right, so now once you connect to Notion, click continue and then show the database, which in our case is Gmail Zapier. Then continue and test this trigger. Now next thing would be to moving to the database item, which is one here. Now we will continue with record, then upsert row into Coda, right? So once the account is recognized, move to next step. Now within this step, we'll find the document which is emailed to table. Then table we have to search for, right? It should be E to T within this particular document, right? Now we go back to Zapier and we already found the document and now table. Then matching columns you have like, let's say name, then another is subject and then content, so it should be there, right? So these three are here. So for name I will add name, right? Can add multiple entries as well, but let's stick to our possible options. Subject is there, then content, right? So we added all the items. Continue. Now let's test this particular Zap, right? Now we can publish it. Once published, let's see what appears within Coda. So now that Zap is on, you can go here and notice there is content added from Notion all the way to Coda. So we managed to sync between the Notion and Coda without having to manually put in entries.